At Mecwin, every motor begins its journey with slot insertion, winding, vase insertion, and shaft assembly. We then integrate the Hall sensor, ensuring accuracy and seamless control. The process then continues with automatic magnet assembly, followed by oil seal and bearing assembly for durability. Next comes the stator assembly, forming the core structure of the motor. We complete it with the final wire side cover assembly, giving the motor its finish. Every motor then undergoes rigorous end-of-line testing, followed by IP67 testing to ensure water and dust resistance. Finally, each motor receives a unique QR code laser marking, making it traceable and authenticated. At Mecwin, we design and deliver motors from concept to application, tailored to your requirements. For any kind of requirements, just contact on this number given, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to our all social media platforms.